Human children are toxic to monsters. But thanks to the monthly of the Child Detection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The brave, the yellow, the CDA. This is a test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. This is only a test. This concludes our test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. If there had been an actual sighting of a human child in Monstropolis, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. This concludes our test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. Hello and welcome from the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce. We hope you enjoy your stay in our beautiful city. Whether it's delicious dining, sensational shopping, or a scary walk in the park after dark, Monstropolis offers something for everyone. Our city may be monstrously large, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town friendliness and small-town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For more immediate transportation, Monstropolis City Cab Service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you. And be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes. Para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Pooh!
Oh, googly bear!
And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was losing my shit.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 0. Security area. Spread out and lock it down. Look out for this child.
Nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got to move to a setup on the scare floor.
Done yet, Pooh?
Race you to the scare floor.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still go? Oh, no. It's Lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Holy kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Number one wants you humans decontaminated.
Just a little decontamination here, folks. Reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 report.
It never happened.
Locked it down.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go. We have everything under control now, so keep it moving. You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make